Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Blue Room or whatever. Today I'm going to be reacting to this song, Blackbird. I think I know this song. It's a cover done by Geoff something. So yeah.
Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see.
Sorry for comparing him with persons, but I'm kind of going off of what I know. So right now this is like a Tim and Peter mash. The Tim part of it being the bass, the growls, and the Peter being the arrangements and the higher vocals. So many of these male singers, they are able to do the bass go that low and still do high notes, and that is incredible. Incredible.
All your life, you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Of a dark black night. Blackbird fly.
I like his arrangement and I like everything that I'm hearing right now.
Blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night.
And he plays the piano.
Blackbird in the dead of night. Blackbird in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. You were
His low parts are so captivating. Let me not use everything is so good, it's so captivating.
only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly. Blackbird fly. Blackbird fly into the light of a dark black